How to replace the air filter in your Chrysler 200. I am Stephen Wimberley, and this is Working with Wimberley. So here is the air filter cover, and we have 1, 2, 3, there's 4 Phillips head screws. So I'm going to loosen the screws, lift up the cover, and we should be able to get to the air filter. Just remove the old air filter. So once you open the housing, this is a great time to vacuum out any debris or dirt that's inside the air box. Once the air box is clean, just install the new filter and put the 4 Phillips head screws back in. And this job is done. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment. God bless you all.